Hello students, in this video I would like to show you how to plot points and draw a graph on Geogebra. And I'm not going to use the same data as the task that you are given. Instead, I would like to use this data of population of China from 1920 to 1980. So first we need to type and enter this data on Geogebra. And to do so, you have to go to the program and click View. And then choose Spreadsheet. So on the right hand side, you will find a couple of columns where you can enter your data. So as I see here, I'm going to enter the first column as the years. And I will start from 1920 to 1980. And then I'm going to type and enter the data in column B, which is the population of China. Right. Now, the data is already entered, so we would like to plot these points. The year is on the x-axis and the population is on the y-axis. So to do so, we are going to highlight all the data, and then you can do a right click, choose create, and then list of points. If you choose that, then there are points here plotted. You can't really see it yet on the graph, of course, because here, if you see our numbers here on the x-axis is starting from 1920 and on the y-axis starting from 472. So to change the axis, to change the scale, then what you can do is you can click Shift, and at the same time you bring your cursor here on the axis, and then you can drag the axis nearer to the origin, and to be able to see the numbers that you have entered. Right, so this should actually be enough, but you still cannot see it because on the y-axis, of course, your numbers are not suitable. So then the same way, press Shift, and then we can just drag this y-axis to an appropriate scale. Right, so in this case, then you see here already the data points that are already plotted. Now the problem is, of course, this is like very far away, as you can see. So you can also think that, oh, maybe if I define my axis differently, x variable differently, for instance, I'm going to say x-axis will show the number of years starting from 1920. If I define it that way, then I can say here, I can start from 0, and then it will increase by 10 all the time. So then you see here, then your graph has changed position. And then if I drag again my x-axis to a suitable scale, then you can actually see the graph more clearly. So you can try this with the data that you are given on the real task. Good luck.